My name's Beth Hoffmeister, and I started mountain biking when I was 31 years old. I'm 63 now, and it was just a new challenge in life, and I just wanted to take that on. I did not know what was wrong with my shoulders. It was really making it difficult to enjoy riding, but I did not want to quit. So I did see a doctor, Dr. Boykin, and there was definitely some osteoarthritis in my shoulders. They offered to start to do maybe cortisone shots to keep me going and being able to do what I like doing. He knew eventually they would be replaced, and he told me that. But we were not ready right then. Apparently either the patient goes to the doctor and says, I absolutely want new shoulders, or in this case, he finally had to come to me and say, your shoulder is ready, we need to replace it. When I chose Dr. Boykin, and I did plenty of interviews with doctors, I was really impressed with him, but he made me impressed with Advent Health by telling me about the type of technology and new equipment that they have, and he was so excited that he gets to use that and that he has this place to perform at his best, and very excited about all the people that he worked with, and that just gave me complete trust in the whole process. It's remarkable that I now can do the things I enjoy doing at my very best because I absolutely have no pain and I have full range of motion, and it's incredible.